Hi, I'm Raffles and I'm applying to be on Bake Off 2021. And don't worry guys, I've already got the apron. Not bad. So this has been a tough lockdown for all of us, but I'm going to have a go making some plantain loaf. Isn't that just banana bread? No, completely different thing. You'll need 3 ripe bananas that we're going to mash up into a bowl. So into a large glass bowl, add in your 3 mashed bananas, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt loosened with a tablespoon of milk, mixing it all together with your trusty metal fork, or wand jangler if you have it available. Now crack in 2 eggs, ideally from your brother's farm. Bonus point if you're doing this one-handed. After it's all incorporated, now you add in your dry ingredients. So that's 1 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour, a good pinch each of cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a good pinch worth of salt to really add its flavour. Fold it together gently, and that's it, you've made your cake batter. So now we're just going to stop it from sticking later down the line with some spray. I like to add a sheet of baking paper into my loaf pans with easy pull-out handles for later down the line. Carefully pour your cake batter into your loaf tin and make sure to get some good swooshing with camera angle B. Now to really get that Star Baker pizzazz, slice a banana lengthwise and put it on top of your cake just before you put it into the oven. Place into a 180°C oven for about 60 minutes or so. Check after about 50 minutes, and how's it looking there, mate? Another few minutes. Once it's all fully baked and the toothpick comes out nice and clean, transfer it to a wire rack and take it out of the loaf pan, using your handy pull tabs from earlier. Then crown your beauty with the RafflesCooks logo, hack off a few generous slices, and let's give this bad boy a taste. But most importantly, how does it taste? Tastes like a pretty solid plantain loaf. What do you think? It's an honour.